Nilaga kapampangan. Tara, manganta na. Hello guys. Today I decided to make nilaga. It's a Filipino soup with a different kind of vegetable. So here is the beef shank boneless that I cut up, and I'm soaking it so the blood of the meat will comes out, or if there is any coloring. And I'm gonna leave it there for like a few minutes. And this is where I got the meat, beef shank boneless. It's $4.99 a pound, and I paid $11.93. So I got this in Vallejo Seafood City. Okay, we'll be back. Okay mga kaibigan, ito na yung sangkap ng nilaga natin na beef shank. So meron tayong isang onion dito, meron tayong patatas, cabbage, pechay, kalahati ng napa-cabbage. Lagyan natin ng asin, buong paminta, tsaka patis. Dahil COVID-19 ngayon, so mahirap talagang bumili ng mga sariwang gulay. So kung ano na lang ang makikita sa Seafood City, yun na lang. At saka lahat ang mahal. Sobra, tumaas lahat ng presyo. So yan ang sangkap natin. Tapos tingnan na natin yung, now let's see our meat, what is happening. There we go. Kumukulo na siya. It's already boiling. So this right here, kailangan natin tanggalin yan. We have to take that out. Okay, mga kaibigan, kukuluin pa natin siya ng matagal. Pero yung apoy, ano lang siya, low. Okay, babalik tayo. Guys, I'm washing the pots for the nilaga because all the scum over here, I don't like that to mix up with my soup. And also I already chopped some onion, and I chop all my vegetable to go with the nilaga. And here is the beef. I took some of the soup, the broth, and I still have all the ingredients. And after I wash that, then we're gonna put that in there. Okay guys, game na. Here it is. I put it back in the original pot. I add some water and some of the broth to give it a flavor. So now we're going to add the onion, some of this peppercorn, not too much, just like that. We're gonna add some salt. Okay, and we're gonna put some patis, fish sauce, like that. And for now, that's all we have to put, and we'll taste it later if it needed more, and then we'll just add more. So I'm gonna simmer this for like probably 2 hours. Cook it slow, like that. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, it's time to check the meat. It's been cooking for 4 hours with a low fire. So we're gonna put potato. We're gonna put the potato now. Also, we're gonna put the cabbage. Okay, and maybe after 2 minutes, we're going to put the rest of the vegetable. Okay, 2 minutes na hindi na bas. So, ngayon ibilita mo ang dalawang gulay. We're gonna put the rest of the vegetable. This one is a napa cabbage. So, we're gonna put this next. I love vegetable. It's gonna be my food for at least 2 to 3 days at work. Okay, let's cover till it gets soft, and then we'll put back the rest. Okay, now it's time to put the pechay. Okay. I already taste the soup. I don't need to put salt or pepper. It's good enough. Okay, here's the pechay. Cover again, and then cook it for like maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Pache malambot na itang bule. Pwede na patantanay yung api. Anyang binili ko pala rin patatas. When I put the potato, I made the fire medium high. Okay, guys, let's check it. Okay, this is done now. I'm gonna turn off the fire, and let's make a bowl. Tikman natin so we can taste it if it's good. This is a kapampangan cook luto. Kapampangan dishes from Angeles City, Pampanga. Okay, let's put a little bit of a cabbage. Some of the beef shank. Okay. Some potato. Where's the potato? Here's the potato. And some of this chili. Sabo. Diyan tayo kita kasabo. Mamasok pa. Alright. Here you go, guys. It's finished now. This is beef nilaga soup from the Philippines. Hope you enjoy watching my vlog. Until next time, thank you so much. Be safe and God bless everyone. Bye.